4 pounds of tannerite. We finally blew a motorcycle in half. There's a chunk of the motor. Holy shit. Look at all the bearings. Is the motor loose? Can you pick this chunk up?
Yeah, I think it's out there.
Oh, wow. Salvage. Oh my God.
The motor's free.
Yeah.
I can't believe it ripped the frame and everything.
Yeah, it
That's
did. Just tore that tube in two, didn't it?
Look at the carnage it did right there.
Wow.
Go get a picture of the aftermath of the tub.
On video.
I know.
Say hi to your mom.
Hi, Mom. Send money.
You're going to be on the internet. Be famous. And not for having sex with men. And there was a cast iron bathtub right here. But it's gone. It's absolutely gone. Where's all the tub at? Where's all that tub at? The bathtub. Oh, I know, but there's just nothing left. There's some chunks of the, here it is. That is unreal. How is that shit legal?